Hello guys, today we are going to AR test. We're going to read this book together and then we're going to go ahead and take the test.
Spotted Beetles, Ladybugs in Your Backyard. Written by Nancy Lowen. Illustrated by Melissa Voda. Bright beetles. It's wonderful in the garden. Tiny cucumbers are forming on the vines. New tomatoes look like pale green marbles. Spiky onion tops bend in the breeze. The best part is, if you look closely, you can see a whole world of tiny creatures. Look at that potato plant. Little spotted domes are moving slowly over its leaves. You know what they are. Ladybugs. It's fun to watch ladybugs fly. 1 second, there's a tiny black blur in the air. Then suddenly, there's a bright beetle crawling around. Here comes another one. There are 5,000 kinds of ladybugs. Most are orange, red, or yellow, but some are white or black. Not all species have spots. The convergent ladybug is the kind described in this book. It is the most common ladybug found in North America. What do ladybugs eat? It looks like the ladybugs aren't the only bugs visiting the potato plant. Those tiny green insects are aphids. They're also called plant lice. Aphids are a ladybug's favorite food. What happens to ladybug eggs? What are those tiny yellow beads under that leaf? They're probably ladybug eggs. Ladybugs lay their eggs where there are lots of aphids. The eggs will hatch in 3 to 5 days. What comes out of a ladybug egg? It doesn't look like a ladybug. It's a larva. Look, there are some on that leaf. They look like hungry little alligators. A larva will eat aphids and other small insects. It will grow for 3 to 4 weeks. Then it will stick its body to the bottom of a leaf, and a shell will form around it. It will become a pupa. Here's one. It looks a little like a bird dropping, doesn't it? But in 7 to 10 days, a new ladybug will come out of it. New ladybugs don't have spots. It takes a day or so for their spots to appear. How long do ladybugs live? Most adult ladybugs live for a few weeks to a few months. Some ladybugs that hatch in early autumn live much longer. They find a hidden place and sleep all winter. Then, in the spring, they mate and the females lay eggs. The life cycle starts all over again. Ladybugs often end up indoors for the winter. They find a quiet place to sleep, but might wake up on a sunny day. Tricky bugs. Here's a ladybug on its back, with its legs folded in. Is it dead? Maybe, but it might be pretending to be dead. That's one way ladybugs keep from being bothered by other animals. Bigger insects, toads, and birds sometimes eat ladybugs, but they don't like to eat ladybugs that already are dead. A ladybug's bright color also keeps it safe. The color is a sign to enemies that the ladybug doesn't taste good. A friend in the garden. It looks like this one is alive after all. And see, it likes you.
So let's rate it 5 stars. And let's go ahead to take the AR quiz. So for this week, I'm going to use Reynaldo's password, and for next week, I'm going to use Matthew's. Okay, so now that we have logged on, let's go ahead and start the quiz. So question 1, what are ladybug's favorite food? A, B, C, or D? Aphids, seeds, grains of pollen, or ants? I would say A. Let's go ahead and check. A ladybug larva looks like a hungry little A. fish, B. snake, C. spider, or D. alligator. What does it look like, guys? If you picked letter D, that's correct. Question 3. What happens after a ladybug larva sticks its body to the bottom of a leaf? A. The larva eats all of the leaf that it can reach. B. The larva lays its eggs. C. A shell forms around the larva. Or D. The leaf curls until it covers the larva. Let's think about it. Okay, guys, so if you picked B, the larva lays its eggs. Let's find out. Question 4. To keep from being bothered by other animals, a ladybug will A. Fold its legs in and pretend to be dead. B. Hide among orange and black flowers. C. Squirt a smelly oil at an attacker. Or D. Raise its wings to look bigger. What do they usually do to camouflage? I would say this one. They try to hide. What does a ladybug's pronomen do? A. It helps the ladybug keep its balance. B. It helps to hide and protect the ladybug's head. Or C. It lets the ladybug smell and taste. Or D. It helps to keep the ladybug's wings hard and shiny. Okay, so if you picked letter B, that's correct. It helps to hide and protect the ladybug's head. Did you like the book? Let's give it 4 stars.